everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Rebecca Beach and today I'm going to show you how to make these reusable wipes and the solution that goes with them. They smell exactly like baby wipes and they feel exactly like baby wipes. They even look exactly like baby wipes, but they're reusable, they're washable, and they're really high quality. You're gonna love them. So first off, these baby wipes are the easiest thing to make. They are about $25 on Etsy if you wanted to buy them yourself, which is totally an option. So I got about 1.5 yards of this flannel that is cream colored, looks most like a wipe. Got about 1.5 yards and it made me about 25 wipes. And that ended up costing about $4.50 versus $25 for a pack of 48. And secondly, it only took me 1 minute. I even had Corbin time me multiple times as I was making these wipes to actually cut them out and have them ready to use. So they're quick and easy and they're very inexpensive. And when you're done, they just look like this. If you don't have pinking shears to do the outside edge this way, which I've decided is my favorite way to make them because it's a no-sew and I can sit and cut them while I'm listening to a book or doing other things around my kids and not having to be in my sewing room. If you don't have pinking shears, I have another video I will put in the link below where you can go and I show all of the different ways to make reusable wipes because right now, with the toilet paper shortage, it is so nice to have other options, and these are a very good option. Also, if you can find flannel for even cheaper, I'm sure you could end up getting way more than 25 for about $4.50. But that was just one of the more expensive fabrics that I wanted it to be cream. So I wanted it to be familiar. I have this amazing box that I got off of Amazon. I will put a link in the description below for all of the things that come with it. Really, this is about it, other than the liquid that you'll put inside for your solution. But this box was $20. I really like it. It has a little viewing window in the front that makes it so you can see if you have more wipes or if you need to make more. I really like it a lot because it has a really cool spring-loaded feature. It has a seal around the outside top edge lid. It also has this weighted feature thingy that will hold it down so that you literally only pull out 1 wipe at a time. And I love that because I'm always pulling out way too many wipes, especially when it gets like down to the bottom. But this is nice because it will keep them all in there, but it will keep me from pulling out more than 1 wipe even until the very last wipe. So that's what I really like about this weighted thing. I have about a half a batch made up right now, so I'm going to take that out so I can put in some solution for you. And I guess so I can show you how to make the solution that goes along with these wipes and makes them smell exactly like a regular baby wipe. So first, I'm just going to get some water in here. Okay, now that I have the water, I'm going to get a little bit of witch hazel. So this is, I feel like, some of the cleaning agent. I'm just putting in a couple squirts. And then the next thing I need is some baby shampoo. This is what gives it the good smell, and you can tell that you're getting a good clean bum from this. And then the last thing you need is a little bit of baby oil. And I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the witch hazel, which is just a couple squirts. And this is what it looks like before it's going to be mixed. And my hands are clean, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it together. I'm just gonna stick it in here, right into the water, and I'm just gonna let it soak in as much water as I can let it soak in. And flip it over. I have some other cute cloths here, that little elephant ones that I found in the fragment section in the fabric store. And now it's completely ready to be used. And I'm actually going to stick the older ones on top of the newer ones. I'm just gonna put this back on top. And now we're ready to use our wipes. So again, if you want to learn how to make your own wipes, I have a link in the description below for my other video that shows how to make these, or you can just do it the way that I did it in this video. I hope that you try this, especially if you can't get a hold of something else that will work that's more normal for you, like baby wipes. If you can't get a hold of baby wipes, this is awesome. I actually might just stick with this even if we aren't in a shortage of baby wipes anymore, because it's really, really awesome. I like it way more than I thought I would. And these will rinse out really quickly. Just I would use a little sprayer on them and then stick them in the wash just with, probably with the cloth diapers that I'm using, and then they'll come out perfectly fine and clean and be able to be reused over and over again. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be making how to make the best rolls I have ever tasted in my life very soon for you guys, and I'm also going to be making a video on how I do cloth diapering now. It's new for me, but it's been working like a charm, and I am so excited to share it with you. So I will talk to you guys later. See you next time. Bye.